So the Winklevoss twins, those who run Gemini, very big centralized exchange here in the United States, have been huge Bitcoin maxis, are recently talking about the U.S. SEC's stance, anti-crypto stance on basically everything that's not Bitcoin. And we've been talking about this here on the channel as well. If there's one thing that's really remained pretty clear over the last few weeks is the SEC and the government at large, across the board, their stance on Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin seems to be safe. It seems to be deemed a commodity. But everything else, flip a coin, right? We don't know. And that might be by design, this uncertainty, this fear, this doubt in basically everything that is not Bitcoin. Why, though? Why? Why only do governments and the SEC and big agencies want to adopt just Bitcoin? Is it because they can control it more? Is it because it's been around the longest, it's the largest market cap, maybe some of all of that? We're going to dive into some of the specifics, though, and talk more about what the Winklevoss twins think here in this crypto news update. If you like crypto news every single day, make sure you guys are subscribing to this channel down below. Also, smash that like button, definitely helps us out, pushes us up, and the old YouTube algorithm gets us out to more people. But really, I would really appreciate if you guys hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you back here every single day. Again, daily crypto content right here on the channel. So the Winklevoss twins, again, as I mentioned, founders of Gemini, but they're big Bitcoiners. They've been around for a very, very long time. In a recent interview, they said this regulatory environment right now happening in the United States feels like a third world, like Venezuela right now for builders in the crypto world, especially here in the United States. Tyler and Cameron, again, have criticized the regulatory environment before that crypto builders face in this country, in the United States, with recent enforcement actions of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. They explain the difficulties that exist right now with regulation posing some serious threats. And again, that uncertainty really is what they talk about. They won't tell you what you need to do to comply. They won't tell you these are the roads. They're paved. There's a speed limit. There isn't any path for people who want to comply. They want you to basically go out there and do it, and then they'll come in and slap the wrist with basically no warning, right? Furthermore, they explain that building in crypto right now in the United States, quote, feels like Venezuela, commenting that common protections do not apply in the crypto world. The Winklevoss twins further criticized the lack of clarity of the SEC regarding the classification of certain cryptos. In the case of Ethereum, by the way, the twins detailed that even though the Ethereum network is 10 years old, there's still no clarity about how it'll be classified, with SEC Chairman Gary Gensler refusing to answer a direct question on the subject during a congressional hearing back in April. They declared the only thing that the U.S. regulators seem to agree on is that Bitcoin is a commodity, but they won't agree on anything else. Of course, due to all these complications, the Winklevoss twins believe there will be a crypto flippening from America to Asia, where regions such as APAC in the Middle East will grow to be the largest source of revenue for Gemini, compared to the United States, where the twins explained the environment is hostile. You can't get anything done. These jurisdictions offer friendlier crypto regulations. And I think this goes for basically all crypto exchanges. You see all of them kind of making a concerted effort to go elsewhere, at least basically get a foot on the ground in these other places if they're not yet there. Others have warned about the crypto companies here in the United States fleeing to other less hostile markets, including Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong and U.S. Senator Cynthia Lummis have both said that this will happen. Cynthia Lummis, a huge proponent of Bitcoin and crypto, along with her counterpart Gillibrand, they have together put together a fantastic crypto bill that may or may not even be read by some of the people who are anti-crypto, but that's neither here nor there. So that's the latest update on your crypto news right now, and what's going on. The Winklevoss twins weighing in on how the SEC is, going about crypto regulation right now in the United States. Let me know what you guys think about all this down below. We'll be here with all the breaking news and information for you every single day. Again, don't forget to subscribe down below for more crypto content. See ya.